So this is how you start a Google form. So I'm going to go into my Google Drive and I'm going to start with new form. So what I'm going to do with this particular form is I'm going to embed it into my website as a quiz for my users to test their knowledge of the different things that I've asked them in the website. So because my website is about polar bears, I'm going to name my form Polar Bear Site Quiz. Okay. And I'm also going to, that's the name of the form, but I'm going to name it up here as well, Polar Bear Site Quiz. In the next box, I describe what the form is about. This is a quiz. So I just click on the box and type in what information I want to include about the information learnt on the Polar Bear site. Okay, so nice and simple. Now, there's a few things I can do. First, I can add different types of questions. So the default question here is a multiple choice question. So I'm just going to use this this question first, and I might even ask my users. So when I click on it, it becomes an active card, and you can see it tells me what type of question it is over here. And I might even ask my users, if I'm targeting kids from my school, what class are you in? And then I can name my classes as options. So we might start with 5A, 5B, 5R, 5H. And you can see to add another option, I just click on add option and type in what I need to make the option, and it automatically opens another option for me. Say I add something. So now I've added an option called 1, but I don't need that anymore. I can just X that away. Once I'm happy with the question setup, I just click on the purple space and that question's now active in my quiz. So if I want to add a new question, I click on this add new question. And again, it'll open up a new card for a new question where I can select what type of question it is. So I can select a short answer question, which allows my user to type something in. I can select a paragraph, a checkbox, a drop down, a file upload, etc. So I'm just going to show you just the short answer now, and then I'll go through the different quiz question types in another video. So let's select short answer, and I might ask, what is your name? And that my user can then type their name in there. Now, the other thing I can do is make questions required. So see at the moment at the bottom down here, I have a required toggle and it's off. If I want to make sure that my user answers these particular questions, I toggle it over, and that now makes it required. So that means that the user has to answer this question. The other thing to note is that the questions appear in the order when the user sits the quiz, they'll appear in the order that they are here. So if I want the what is your name question to be first, I simply just pick it up and I move the card and place it where I wanted to put it. So I'm going to put it there. So the first question they'll get is what is your name? And then the next question they'll get is what class are you in? If I want to include another multiple choice question like this and I don't want to add this way, I can duplicate using this button down here. So it kind of copies that whole question for me, and then I can change things inside. So the question might be now, where might you find polar bears, for example? And then I can just click on each option and change the answer in the PLC playground, etc. In the next video, I'll show you how to add other types of questions, how to add videos and pictures to your questions, and then ultimately how to share your form in your site.